जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत शिव सदगुरु भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम नाम हरे हरे नीलाचल निवास नित्य बलवंदन बलभद्र सुभद्रवां श्री जगन्नाथ नमो जय श्री जगन्नाथ स्वामी की जय नमो विष्णुपाद गौड़ विष्णु तुलसीमत भक्ति गोस्वामी नामिने नमो विष्णुपाद कृष्ण विष्णु तुलसीमत परमदयति स्वामिने श्रीरूपिणे नमो विष्णुपाद गौड़ विष्णु कृष्ण विष्णु भूत नमो विष्णुपाद कृष्ण विष्णु भूत तुलसीमत भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी नामिने First, I give my Dandavat Pranam to my Srila Gurudev Srila Bhakti Gopuri Goswami Maharaj, to my Sannyas Gurudev Srila Bhakti Alak Paramadai Swami Maharaj and Srila Bhakti Prabhupada Goswami Maharaj. Then I give in my Dandavat Pranam all of Acharya, all of Sannyasi Guru Vargas, Prabhupada Associate, Prabhupada Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Associate, and all of Mataji, all of devotee, all of Brahmachari, all of Acharya, all of Sannyasis. Then I give my Dandavat Pranam to Gaudiya Agastipati, Srila Prabhupada, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. Yesterday I read from Sri Neelamadhav until this point when Neelamadhav said to King Indradumna, Lord Sri Neelamadhav said to King Indradumna, please release the Shavar King Vishyavasu. After I start today again. Today I am 2 minutes late. Now I normally start from Shikhetra books, read the Shikhetra books about the glorification of Mahaprabhu and Sri Shikhetra Jagannath Puri Dham from 7:15 from Wednesday to Saturday, and Sunday a special class from higher Vaishnava and Vaishnavis. So I said 7:15, but actually today I am late 2 minutes. I am sorry for this. King Indradumna, শ্রী ইন্দ্রদুম্ন প্রস্তরের দ্বারা শ্রীমন্দির নির্মাণার্থ বাউলমালা নামক স্থান হইতে প্রস্তর আনয়ন করিবার ব্যবস্থা করিয়া তথা হইতে নীলকন্দর পর্যন্ত একটি পথ নির্মাণ করিলেন। ওই পথে প্রস্তর আনয়ন করাইয়া শঙ্খ নাভি মণ্ডলে একটি মন্দির নির্মাণ করাইলেন এবং রামকৃষ্ণপুর নামক একটি গ্রাম স্থাপন করিলেন। Then King Indradumna, for bring the stone about make the establish or build the temple, Sri temple, means Sri Jagannath temple. He makes a road from Baulmala, place named Baulmala, from where stone he like to bring to make the temple to Nilakandar. Nilakandar means which place. Now Sri Jagannath temple in which place? On this place is called Nilakandar. ওই পথে, by this way, King Indradumna brought the stone and build a temple. Also he make a village. He established a village on there. It's called Ramakrishnapur. শ্রী মন্দির মাটির নিচে 60 হাত, ওপরে 120 হাত উচ্চ করা হইল। শ্রী মন্দির, the depth of the Shri Mandir inside of the earth is 90 feet, and after the ground, underground is 90 feet, and after the ground, this temple height is 180 feet. মন্দিরের উপরে কলস, একটি কলস ও তাহার উপরে একটি চক্র স্থাপিত হইল এবং মন্দিরকে সুবর্ণ মণ্ডিত করা হইল। After the temple, after the built temple, he put a pot, golden pot, up of the temple, and up of the golden pot, he put a chakra, like circle, chakra. It is called, which chakra we have called now Nila chakra. And this temple he decorated by gold. He used many of gold for decoration this temple. Shri Indradumna Maharaj শ্রী ব্রহ্মার দ্বারা শ্রীমন্দির প্রতিষ্ঠা করিবার অভিলাষ করিয়া ব্রহ্মলোকে উপস্থিত হইয়া ব্রহ্মার অপেক্ষায় বহুকাল যাপন করিলেন। Then King Indradumna, thinking this temple he inaugurated by Brahmadev, Lord Brahma, and for this he went to Brahmaloka, means the place of the Brahma, and there he wait for meet with Brahma, long time wait. এই সময় ইন্দ্রদুম্নের নির্মিত মন্দির সমুদ্রে বালুকা দ্বারা আবৃত হইয়া গেল। ইতিমধ্যে সুরদেব, তৎপরে গলমাধব প্রভৃতি কয়েকজন রাজা তথায় রাজত্ব করিলেন। গলমাধব বালুকা অভ্যন্তর হইতে মন্দিরটি উদ্ধার করিলেন। এদিকে শ্রী ইন্দ্রদুম্ন ব্রহ্মার নিকট হইতে স্বীয় রাজ্যে প্রত্যাবর্তন করিয়া উক্ত মন্দিরটি তাহার রচিত বলিয়া দাবি করায় গলমাধব ওই মন্দির নিজকৃত বলিয়া জানাইলেন। He wait long time in Brahmaloka, King Indradumna. On between this time, the Sri Mandir covered by the sand from the ocean, Nilachal, ocean. This ocean we are called Nilachal. So this Nil ocean, blue ocean, for this ocean we are called Nilachal. Like Achal means the when women taken the sari, the which portion on the back side is open, a long part like open, the end part open. This is called Achal in Bengali or in Hindi or in Sanskrit, Achal. So who have this blue Achal is Nilachal. Nil means blue, Achal means, understand this, I already said. So this from the blue ocean, the Jagannath temple fully covered. In between, many of king control this kingdom. One is Sudadev, then after famous is Sudadev, then after Galamadhav. And Galamadhav, he found this temple from under the sand, and he rescued this temple. But Indradumna, by the order of Brahma, Indradumna came back to Sri Jagannath Puri, Sri Kshetra, and he met with Galamadhav, and he said, "This is my kingdom, and I am the owner of this temple. I built this temple. I am the owner of this temple." But Galamadhav said, "No, this is my temple." কিন্তু মন্দিরের নিকটবর্তী কল্পবট স্থিত ভূষণ্ডী কাক, যিনি যুগ যুগান্তর ধরিয়া শ্রী নাম রাম নাম কীর্তন করিতে করিতে তথায় সমস্ত ব্যাপার দর্শন করিতেছিলেন, তিনি জানাইলেন ওই মন্দিরটি শ্রী ইন্দ্রদ্যুম্ন মহারাজ নির্মাণ করিয়াছিলেন। তাহার অনুপস্থিতিতে উহা বালুকায় পতিত হইয়া পড়িয়াছিল। গালমাধব রাজা তাহা উদ্ধার করিয়াছেন। বাট অন দেয়ার near of the Sri Mandir, there have one Kalpa Bhiksha, Kalpabata Bhiksha, means the banyan tree, which banyan tree is so merciful banyan tree, is Kalpa Bhiksha, like which anyone want this banyan tree given, and this banyan tree, long living banyan tree from Satyuga, and they are living one crow is called Bhushundi, name is Bhushundi. Bhushundi crow say everything true, and Bhushundi Kak know everything which is the right, and he always say right. Bhushundi like astrologer or like a witness of everything. Then Bhushundi Kak from Bhushundi crow means Kak, Bhushundi, they are living from the Satyuga. On the time of when King Indradyumna built this temple, then he stay there and he chanting there Ram Nam, means Hare Krishna Mahamantra, also Ram Nam he chanting there, and he observed everything. Then he said to, after when this Bhushundi crow looked the situation between this critical situation between Galamadhav and King Indradyumna, then he start to say, this temple built by Indradyumna, but is when he is not present there, is absent time, this temple go under the sand of the ocean, and Galamadhav rescued this. Galamadhav সত্যের অপলাপ করায় ইন্দ্রদ্যুম্ন সরোবরের পশ্চিমে শ্রীমন্দিরের বহির্দেশে ব্রহ্মার নির্দেশ অনুসারে অবস্থান করিলেন। Then Galamadhav accept this, and west side of Indradyumna pond or Indradyumna tank, which is the backside of Gundicha temple, Indradyumna tank, the west side of Indradyumna tank, he stayed there, Galamadhav. শ্রী ইন্দ্রদ্যুম্ন ব্রহ্মাকে এই পরম মুক্তিদায়ক ক্ষেত্র ও শ্রীমন্দির প্রতিষ্ঠা করিবার জন্য প্রার্থনা জ্ঞাপন করিলে শ্রী ব্রহ্মা বলিলেন, শ্রী ভগবানের স্বরূপ শক্তি দ্বারা প্রকাশিত এই শ্রীক্ষেত্র ও সপ্রকাশ শ্রী ভগবানকে প্রতিষ্ঠা করিবার ক্ষমতা আমার নেই। দেন কিং ইন্দ্রদ্যুম্ন request to Brahma, Lord Brahma, please you inaugurated this temple and make the ceremony for opening the temple and make Abhisheka, doing the Abhisheka. But Brahma say, it's impossible for me. I am not able to inaugurate this temple, and not possible to make Abhisheka and another ceremony, doing another ceremony for this temple, because this place is the Lord own place of the Lord, is Shri Kshetra. Shri means Lakshmi, Kshetra means land. This is the land of Lakshmi Devi. Then শ্রী জগন্নাথ ও তাহার ধাম, এই শ্রীধাম প্রপঞ্চে শ্রী জগন্নাথ ও তাহার শ্রীধাম এই প্রপঞ্চে তদীয় কৃপায় নিত্য অবস্থিত। তবে আমি এই শ্রীমন্দিরের চূড়ায় একটি ধ্বজা বন্ধন করিয়া দিতেছি। যাহারা দূর হইতে এই ধ্বজা দর্শন করিয়া দণ্ডবত প্রণাম করিবেন, তাহারা অনায়াসে মুক্তি লাভ করিবেন। শ্রী জগন্নাথ দেব living in this place from the beginning of the Satyuga and before the Satyuga, age of true, and I am not able to establish again him in this temple because he already is here. He already is here. So Lord Brahma is not able to doing anything because he said this. Jagannath Dev here always. How he again is manifesting him here? Not possible. But I bound a dhaj, means the flag, on the up of the Nila Chakra, the wheel, Nila Chakra, the wheel, and which percent any people, any of devotee, when look this dhaj, means the flag from the far, yeah, and if they make Dandavat Pranam, then they are quickly relieved from this material pain, from this material world. So today is finished the Nilmadhav Katha, and about the Nilmadhav, and then third Vaibhav is, means the third chapter is Sri Darubamma, from next Wednesday. I said I start to read from this third chapter, where have Sri Daru Brahma's description of Daru Brahma, what is Daru Brahma, how is coming Daru Brahma. So, one of thing, Sri Khetra, Sri Jagannath Khetra, we are called Sri Khetra. Sri Khetra means the place of the Lakshmi, and Sri Mandir, the place of the Sri Lakshmi, and there are Mata Bimola Devi, the belly of the Mother Sati, when after Daksha's fire ceremony, the potency of Shiva, Devi Sati leave body, and Shiva bring this dead body, Sati's body, not dead body, this is actually eternal body, Yogamaya body. This Yogamaya body without the life, and then Shiva make Tandava dance, like Rudra dance, and everyone is afraid. He like to destroy everything, like destroyed dance. Then Vishnu, because Vishnu is the Yogesha and Devi Sati is the Yogamaya, they are brother and sister, as a brother and sister, Yogamaya and Yogesha. So Vishnu means, although they are brother and sister, Subhadra is Yogamaya and Krishna is the Jagannath. Means Krishna, Subhadra, Balaram, three, Yogamaya, Ananta and Krishna. So when when Shiva continues the destruction, everything start to destroy all over the universe. Then Vishnu request to Sudarshan, please cut the Sati's body. Then when after slowly cut the Sati's body, then when Shiva look, Sati is not there on his here. Then Shiva make peace. Shiva stop the destroy dance and everything stop to destroy. So in woman body where come the baby brought up in stomach, in belly, this part fallen inside of Sri Mandir, which Indian Hindu, this is the continuous this tradition, Hindu only allowed by born Hindu. They are allowed to go inside. So Bimala Devi is there, it's called Bimala, this fallen inside of Sri Mandir, and it's called Bimala. And Sachidananda Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur prayed to Bimala, please give him a son who rescue the people from this material pain, from this material world, and who again reinstitute the Vishwa Vaishnava Rashtrava and re-establish the Brahma Madhya Gaudiya Saraswata Sampradaya, Gaudiya Sampradaya. So on this time, before Bhaktivinoda Thakur, before Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, after Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, until Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Madhusudan Das Babaji Maharaj, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, the Gaudiya Vaishnavism so much polluted. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur wants a song for clean this pollution and make fresh, purified the Gaudiya Vaishnavism. So he prayed there. Because on the time of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Puri Jagannath Temple, he is the first administrator of Puri Jagannath Temple as a magistrate and district judge, district collector and district magistrate of Puri. He is also the administrator, recruit as the administrator of the Puri Sri Jagannath Temple. On this time, British government, in India, British government undertake Puri
Battery
temple,
level 80%.
undertake the Puri temple. So Puri Sri Jagannath Temple, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur every day prayed. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur got a son named, and he given the name Bimala Prasad. Prasad means the mercy, Kripa, Prasad, blessing, mercy. By the mercy of Bimala Devi, born this baby, so it's called Bimala Prasad. And we have know everyone, Bimala Prasad when child, Jagannath chariot stopped there, which is the now is Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math. Baradanda means the main road, the royal road, in which road Jagannath Dev chariot every year going to Gunija temple and back from Gunija temple means the Ratha Yatra and Bahura Yatra or Pandu Vijaya, Pondi, after Pondi, Ratha Yatra, Gundicha Yatra and Bahura Yatra. But on the time of Gundicha Yatra, Ratha Yatra, Jagannath chariot stopped there and not moving. Jagannath Dev one night fasting, and Jagannath Dev said to the Panda, he want to look the son of the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bimala Prasad. And Bimala Prasad this time only 4-month baby, and he, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, why Bhagavati Devi bring Bimala Prasad, means Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Jagadguru Srila Prabhupada, in front of Jagannath Dev, and then Jagannath Dev garlands automatically going from the Jagannath Dev to Bimala Prasad. So from Wednesday start the 3rd chapter about the Daru Brahma. Hare Krishna, Jai Jagannath.